G'day guys, this is Lee from Highly Articulated. Those of you out there that know me know that I love my Jimnys. My own JB43 has been an absolute beast for me off-road over the last few years. So when I heard the guys down at IRONMAN 4X4 Middle East have got their hands on the JB74, I just had to come down and see. Let me take you through what they've done to this little beast. So the guys at IRONMAN have thrown this beautiful protection package at the little Jimny. It all starts with this gorgeous sports bar that fits the Jimny's lines absolutely perfectly. This bar includes the daytime running lights, as well as using the factory fog lamps. When it comes to recoveries, whether it's in the desert or in the waddies, we all know that the factory tie-down points that are fitted to your vehicle may as well be made from cheese when it comes down to it. So it's great to see that the guys at IRONMAN have thought about this and put fully rated recovery points to the front of this vehicle. Now the underbody protection starts here at the front bumper. The front bumper includes a 3mm plate that protects your radiator, and moving back we've got a 4mm steel double powder coated single panel that protects your transfer case and driveline components. It doesn't matter then if you're out in the waddies or you're bashing in the dunes. You know that you can drive with confidence because you're covered. So rounding out the front, we have the IRONMAN Monster 9,500 pound winch. This thing runs 8mm synthetic rope and operates both wired and wirelessly. This thing is absolutely critical if you're one of those guys who likes to travel solo. And as us Zook owners know, there is nothing that beats the feeling of recovering a full-size SUV seconds after they've laughed at our toy car. Now for lighting, up front we've got the 7-inch Meteor spot spread combo with the daytime running lights. These things are bright, and once you combine them with their adjustable twin work lights and the 19.5-inch LED bar, your drives out to your favorite spot are just going to become that much easier. Now the electricals are the next thing to get the IRONMAN 4x4 upgrades. The stock 45 amp hour battery for these little Zooks is tiny, so they've installed their dual battery management system. That includes 65 amp hour battery in the back. That house battery then runs all of your lighting and all of your accessories, leaving your starter battery free. It's all controlled by this intelligent 40 amp 3-stage battery DC to DC charger. And you can see exactly what both your batteries are doing from the in-cab monitor. Now with the weight of the bar and all of your gear in the back, you need a suspension system that can handle those extra loads.
The boys here at IRONMAN have thrown in their 50mm lift kit to this little Jimny. You've got the plus 50mm coil springs, nitro gas shock absorbers, which are a great upgrade over the original factory equipment. They have the steering damper kit. They have the front cross-member drop kit, which you won't often see installed on kits here in the Middle East. And it also has the caster correction bushing kit. This thing will actually bring your steering geometry back into line so that you have factory style steering, even at highway speeds, so you can say goodbye to those wobbles.
The little Jimny performs amazing on the RTI ramp, even in stock form. But if you're like me and flexing is your thing, then this system will help keep all 4 wheels on the ground navigating those tricky waddy tracks. Jimnys aren't known for their carrying capacity, so IRONMAN have fitted their 1.25 metre by 1.4 metre roof cage to this little Zook. More than enough room to hang the awning off the side, carry your treads, even bring your firewood to camp, especially for bringing your rubbish back from camp, keeping the inside of your car clean. Also off the side here, we have a removable sand flag.
These tread recovery boards are engineered and manufactured in Australia using high quality materials. These things are great for getting yourself out of a stuck situation. With the integrated shovel and the high traction surface, it makes easy work out of climbing out of that sand bog.
The Ironman 1.4 metre instant awning is perfect for the Jimny. It's more than enough to keep 2 people out of the sun during camp at day, and at night, the dimmable LED helps you illuminate your campsite. So moving to the back, Ironman have created a great little overnighting setup here. We have our 65 amp hour house battery. Here we have the baby of the range, a 30 litre ice cube that sits on a 3-stage locking slide. Locked all the way closed, halfway, and fully open. Across here we have the AirChamp Pro compressor. This thing pumps out 160 litres a minute, up to 150 PSI. This thing will fill the 235 75 15s on this car in no time at all. Finally, we come to the highly articulated drawer system that Ironman have asked me to produce. All of our drawer systems are computer designed, CNC cut for that perfect fit first time, every time. We incorporate truss designs into the sides and the carcass itself for weight saving. And our heavy duty runners, depending on the model you go with, can take up to 250 kilos. All right, so the beauty of our custom CNC boxes is the amount of space you can fit in there without sacrificing your strengths. Let's see what we got in this one. Here we have the Ironman Quick Deflator Kit, the Ironman Twin Inflator, which allows you to pump 2 tyres up at once. We have the winch wireless remote, as well as the wired backup cable. We have 220 volt power for your fridge, so you can pre-cool your fridge before you go off-road. We have the guy lines for the awning. The Ironman weighted winch blanket for safe winching. We have the Ironman small recovery kit, which comprises snatch strap, set of gloves, 3 3/4 ton shackles, and a tow bar mount. Alongside all of that, still managed to fit in the original factory jack and tool. For those of you on a tighter budget, Ironman also stock the maxi cases. These are great little boxes, more than enough to carry what you need. Right now, it's about time for me to take this little beast out. Come down and see the guys at Ironman 4x4 in Russell Core. They'll take care of you. Doesn't matter if you've got a Y61, if you've got a Jimny, if you've got a 100, 200 series Land Cruiser. They've got something for you. I'll see you guys out there.